If the ocean could speak, it would be sending us an urgent message. Every year, at least 8 million tons of plastic end up in our ocean, resulting in the deaths of tens of thousands of sea creatures. In just 40 years, 39% of marine wildlife has disappeared from our oceans. In the Great Barrier Reef alone, 2/3 of coral reefs have been severely damaged due to climate change. At Clam and Clasp, we believe that we can impact change and create a positive future for our oceans. Together, we can speak for the sea. Each Clam and Clasp piece tells the story of an ocean conservation initiative and includes a unique, sustainably collected seashell. 20% of each purchase goes to nonprofit organizations leading conservation efforts. Each time someone wears our jewelry, the ocean story continues to be told. Help us send the message.